Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to build a simple but very useful project using Arduino and IR sensor. LED will turn on automatically when the IR sensor detects an object. This concept is used in automatic doors, robots, sanitizer machines, parking systems and home automation. So watch till the end. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For this project we need Arduino UNO IR sensor module, LED, 220 ohm resistor, breadboard and some jumpers.
Amazing!
Now let's make the connections. This is IR sensor. VCC is going to Arduino, ground is going to Arduino ground, out pin is going to digital pin 2. This is VCC will go to Arduino 5 volt, ground will go to Arduino ground, out will go to digital pin 2. In LED, long pin consider as anode and this is cathode. Resistor we are placing between the cathode pin to ground of the Arduino. Digital pin 30. Cathode is going to Arduino ground. This is the connection between the IR sensor module with Arduino and LED. Now I will code. This is the USB cable we are using for programming the Arduino with personal PC. This I will connect to the Arduino.
Amazing!
This will go to PC. Now let's test the project. As you can see, when I bring my hand near the IR sensor, the LED turns on, and when I remove my hand, the LED turns off. Okay, I will put the some object. This shows our IR object detection system is working perfectly.
Amazing!
So that's it for today's project. I hope you learned something useful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Ambaba's Creation for more electronics and Arduino projects. See you in the next video. Happy learning!